They told you crypto is too complicated for beginners, but that's a lie. Let me guess. You tried looking into crypto, but the jargon, confusing steps, and tech talk made your brain feel like it's overheating. You're not alone. Most guides assume you're some kind of tech genius, leaving everyone else in the dust. But here's the truth. Crypto doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, with the right guidance, you could start your journey into the world of cryptocurrency with complete confidence. No rocket science, no PhD required. I know how it feels. I remember my first time researching Bitcoin. I sat there for hours trying to figure out what a wallet was, let alone how to buy crypto. Every tutorial seemed to assume I already knew half the stuff. It felt impossible to even take the first step. But here's the good news. I figured it out. And, I'm making some really great profits. The other day I made close to $6,000 in crypto profits. And today I'm breaking it down for you. No fluff, no intimidation, just 3 super simple steps to start with crypto. So let's get into it. So step number 1 is you need to figure out where you're going to buy crypto. I buy from a lot of different platforms, but for this YouTube video, I'm going to recommend crypto.com. And what you're going to want to do for step 1 is complete your KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a quick verification process that ensures your account is secure and compliant. So they're going to just want to know. So they're just going to want you to upload your ID. And that's what the KYC process is with crypto.com app. Follow the steps to verify your identity, and you're ready to move on to the fun part. Step 2 is transfer money and buy your first crypto. Once your account is set up, link your bank account or card and transfer a small amount of money, whatever you're comfortable with, to your app. Use it to buy your first crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The app makes it super easy with step-by-step guidance. And that's it. You are now a crypto investor. Step 3, sell your crypto and send it back to your bank. When you're ready to cash out, simply sell your crypto in the app. And once you've sold it, transfer it back to your bank account. It's straightforward and gives you a complete start to finish experience in handling crypto. And that's it. These 3 steps will take you from confused to confident in no time. Crypto doesn't have to be intimidating, and you don't have to be a tech wizard to succeed. It's all about starting simple and learning as you go. Before you go, don't forget this. The crypto world can be exciting, but always invest wisely. Never put in more than you're willing to lose, and double check everything before you're clicking confirm. If you want more beginner tips, look in the description. There's a link to a blog post that goes more in detail of what I'm doing with crypto. Also hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and let's make crypto easy for everyone. See you in the next video.